Good day, ma'am. My name is James Harold Moreno Palomo from BSed English 1A1. So this is the painting of my favorite place, titled "A Gentle Goodbye Beneath the Setting Sun." So watch the whole videos to see the outcome and the process on how I make this painting. This painting depicts a moment where I stand beneath the fading golden sky, sharing a quiet farewell. So I feel a gentle acceptance wash over me as if the word itself understands and softens the weight of letting go.